how the role of Amber Heard in Aquaman 2 was pared down in the wake of the Johnny Depp lawsuit. Director James Wan explained the rationale behind Amber Heard's reduced involvement in Aquaman 2 months before the sequel's release. The actress talked about her involvement in the slander trial involving Johnny Depp last year. From 2015 until 2017, Amber Heard was wed to Johnny Depp. The Stan actress posted an opinion piece about her experiences with domestic abuse in the Washington Post in 2018 after they divorced. The public assumed that she was referring to her ex-husband Johnny despite the fact that she did not specifically name him in the piece. Johnny filed a defamation lawsuit against Amber in 2019 on the grounds that the Opus Ed article destroyed his career, eliminated his acting possibilities, and cost him his recurring role in Pirates of the Caribbean. On April 8, 2022, their trial in Fairfax, Virginia, started. The La Times published an article on June 1, 2023, announcing Depp's legal victory. Heard countersued Depp for twice as much after the actor had sued her for $50 million. Depp received $10 million in compensatory damages from the judge, in addition to another $5 million for trial-related damages. However, they were lowered to $350,000 right away. Heard received $2 million in compensatory damages after Depp's former lawyer Adam Waldman claimed that she and her friends created a hoax that included roughing up her apartment to look worse for police. This claim was made in response to the publication of the assault piece. Heard made the following closing remarks: "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm devastated that despite the overwhelming amount of proof, my ex-husband's disproportionate influence, power, and sway could not be overcome. It is a failure. It turns back time to a time when a woman who spoke out and out may face public humiliation and shame. The notion that violence against women should be regarded seriously is retracted as a result." On May 7, 2022, Amber testified that her portrayal of Mira in the Aquaman sequel was a very pared-down version of who she actually was because of the trial and her public image as a result of her connection with Johnny. "I was given a script and then fresh versions of the script that had removed action scenes that showed my character and another character battling with one another without giving any spoilers away, and they basically cut a lot out of my role. They simply took a lot out." Hollywood insider Kathy and Arnold testified during the trial that Amber's notoriety had an impact on her roles. Hollywood likes her work but is unable to collaborate with her due to the persistent negative publicity surrounding her. As part of her testimony, Amber also stated that she fought really hard to stay in when they didn't want to include me in the film. James Hamada, president of DC Films, appeared in court on behalf of Johnny's legal team and said that Amber's cuts were caused by a lack of chemistry with Jason Momoa's Aquaman character. During cross-examination, Hamada remarked, "They didn't really have a lot of chemistry together. The truth is that it happens frequently in movies when the two leads don't get along. The ability to meld performances with the beauty of, say, a terrific soundtrack and how you put the parts together is akin to cinematic magic and editing. That sort of chemistry is fabricated." Although Amber's trial was ongoing, the Aquaman cast and crew continued to support her inclusion in the movie. Director James Wan and star Jason Momoa of Aquaman were reportedly adamant she was in the film. James stated his position and declared himself committed to her.